Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Chaz with Next Level Lawn Solutions, back at it again with the Real Landscaping YouTube channel. As you guys can tell, I just got a new mic. Hopefully it sounds good. Like I said, man, we're gonna continue to invest in ourselves and try to grow the channel and just be the best version of what we can be. Hopefully y'all having a good day. Right now, it's currently like around 2:30, 3 o'clock. I'm about to go over and do this little junk removal and bush trimming job. Not too much work today on the schedule, but the client texted me last night, asked me if I could come through, and she's always looking out and holding it down, so of course I take care of her and I give her a good price because she's always looking out and leaving tips. And I appreciate the support that you guys have been showing on the channel with these past couple of videos. And as you guys can see, I'm taking the channel seriously and I'm constantly upgrading the best of the best quality. So if you could please leave a like on today's video, I greatly appreciate it. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we made it to the drop. About to go in the backyard, see what type of junk we got today. Hopefully it's nothing too crazy. When she was texting me, she said it was like some empty boxes, like 5 bags of trash, and some like patio furniture and whatnot. Hopefully it's nothing too crazy. We're about to see. Oh yeah, this not bad at all. I wonder if she wants a tarp. Yeah, this is what we got. Hopefully everything fits with the mower. Yeah, we're gonna cut the grass too. Let's get it. Start getting the big stuff out of the way first. I'm also gonna be trimming the bush up front as well as mowing the grass. I told her $280 for everything all in one day. If this was anyone else, it'd probably be like a $350. What y'all think? It's actually probably like my third or fourth junk removal I've done for her. I mean, it was a time she called me to move some boxes from her garage upstairs to her living room. Mind you, it was actually some fairly big boxes, but like, her to even just call me and pay me for that. And she paid me good. I think she paid me like 100, 200 bucks. Where's the bush you want trimmed? Does it need trimmed? I don't know. You let me know. As you guys can see, it's pretty dark out now. I don't even know what time it is, but that's it for today's video. Thank you again for watching my videos. Always remember, keep God first. Stay blessed whatever you guys do. Peace.